flip mode, flip mode, flip mode, flip mode. Let's go, let's go. Yeah.
What's good, everybody? It's Andre Dior. Welcome back to my channel. And if this is your first time ever seeing, the face, subscribe, okay? So today I'm finally back. How long was it, guys? 5 weeks, 6 weeks? I don't know. I'm really sorry, but today I'm back and I really have a really good one for y'all. But before we jump into this video, I'm gonna need you to subscribe right now and also turn on your notifications so you know every time I'm posting a new video, period. So today I will be doing a review today, and I will also be doing an unboxing of, a little luxury item. Y'all ready? Y'all not ready. Y'all not ready. I think y'all ready, but y'all are not ready. So if you want to see what I'm about to unbox, just know it's Gucci. So before I jump into the video, subscribe right now. Come on. If you want to see what I got from Gucci, keep on watching. So the item that I got was the Gucci slides. I don't know if they're calling them the pool slides. I know the old name was called the Pursuits, but these are the new 2017, 2018 versions, I guess. The new remodeled version, period. So it comes in this black and white box. I don't always have to do that because my lighting be so bright. You already know the classic Gucci box. What you do is you have to slide it out. It's another box. You have to slide it out of the box, and then you have this other Gucci box. Let's put that over there. This is it. Y'all already know the Gucci box by now, and it's really heavy. Like, this feels like a very durable premium box. But yeah, let's open it. Oh, and not to mention, it was wrapped in this pink Gucci ribbon done by the people at Gucci. I'll put some close-ups so you guys can see the detail, because all over it says Gucci in gold lettering. But yeah, I'll do some close-ups of it. So this is what the box was wrapped in when you purchased it from the Soho boutique in New York City. That flap like that. Another flap. Another flap. And this is how it looks. I know it's not neat because I wore mine about 4 times so far. And you also open it, you get this white Gucci dust bag. You get 2 actually. You get this one. Hold on, I want y'all to see it. And you also get this one. So you get 2 Gucci dust bags. Then what we've all been waiting for, I know you guys are like, shut up and already get to the item. These are them. They're inside this paper. And this is how they look. They have this premium, like, oh, this is really, this is some good, this is that good up upper echelon tissue paper. This ain't that regular tissue paper. So they come in plastics, and they both come with these like upper echelon, like soft tissue papers. So the difference between these and the older version that they had, like in the past, whenever those came out, girl, I wasn't old enough to afford Gucci then, but now I can, thanks to the Lord, okay? But yeah, these actually have like tractions under, like it looks like a Timberland boot underneath. But when you're walking, you don't actually see those. You just see them under the bottom. And then it says Gucci made in Italy on the bottom of them. Right there. Gucci made in Italy, if y'all can see that. But yeah, this is how they look. But yeah, this is how they look. Your classic Gucci print. On the back of them, they say Gucci. Right there, if y'all can see that. I don't know how good that's picking up, but yeah. It comes with these tags that say Gucci. Everything is Gucci. What's this? This is written in, I guess, German or whatever language that is. And you already know it's going to be a bunch of haters. I don't care. But this is the authentication card. It comes with your receipt. So retail, the slides go for $210. I paid $228 after tax. Gucci. I don't want y'all to see my receipt. some more card information, but yeah. Stay tuned for my on feet. That's the next clip. So yeah.
El latido de Nora.
So my pros and cons about the slides. I love them. They're designer. They're Gucci. Like, it's timeless. Just like Louis V. Timeless. You know, like, it's, when is Gucci ever going out of style soon? Cons, when I first got them, you guys, I had to break them in. These are a size 11. And normally in European shoes, I'm like a 42, like a 9-ish. Or 10, but these I had to get an 11 because of how Gucci cuts the slides. They're very small, and I felt like I was like forcing my foot in the size 10 when I tried it on in the store. So my sales associate Zach was like, you know, it would make more sense for me to get an 11. So if my feet does grow, I have extra room and it doesn't look, you know, extremely big on my foot. You guys will see. And yeah, cons, I had blisters, you guys, over my big toe and my small toe on the left side. And I was just like, why am I bleeding? I did not pay all this money to be bleeding and having blisters. But I'm like, hey, it's fashion. But now, like, since I wore them like a couple of times, like I've probably worn these out 4 or 5 times now. I finally broke them in, and they're actually molded to my feet now. If you can see, like, your toe prints are kind of like molded into the slides, like right there. Like in this section, like it molds your, like, you know, toe prints. So I love them. Are they worth $228? aka, you know, it's a lot of money, almost $230 for some slides. Yes, because, you know, I'm a fashionista and I love fashion personally, but can you find an alternative for way cheaper? Yes, but you're paying for the name, the quality, the packaging, and you honestly paying for packaging and the name. But yeah, I love them to death. So if you want to get them, I totally recommend them. The Gucci store, I went to the Wooster boutique in Soho, New York, because I live in New York City in Manhattan. You can go to any Gucci outlet, Gucci store, Barney's, Saks, Neiman Marcus, Bergdorf's. Yeah, all of those high-end stores, you can find you a pair of Gucci slides. So yeah. Thank you so much if you stayed to the end of this video. I will be back with way more vlogs, reviews, unboxings, just a whole bunch of new content rolling in for 2019. I really love everybody who's still a part of Andrea Army. I'm sorry for disappearing and coming back. Now I'm officially back because, you know, my equipment was broken for a while, my ring light and soft boxes, but now I got new equipment. So I will be back all up in your face until 2019. And all of 2019, because I'm trying to make this channel grow. Like, I want us to get to 100K. And I really believe that I can get there. So if you enjoyed this video, like, share, comment, subscribe. Comment down below what you think about the slides. Comment down below what do you guys want me to review next. Comment if you own a pair of designer luxury slides. And I'll see y'all in my next video. Love you for watching. And don't forget to subscribe. Bye, y'all.